far back as I can remember, I've always had an obsession with elk and elk habitat. And there's always been much more to it than just punching a tag. It's an endeavor that I've pursued and helped conserve my entire life. A place and time where I feel comfortable, like I am in my element.
We shut the camera off, and I turned to my right. Dennis's eyes were big around the camera lens and told me, "There's a bull." And he's standing there like 12 yards, but I could have shot him right there, but there's an antler restriction here, so it's 4-point or better. And he was just barely at 4-point, so it's only the first day. Let's hope I don't regret not shooting that guy. We got this bull. I don't know if you bull comes around, we get a shot at him. Sat on this bugle, we didn't even know what it was, for 3 hours. Took a nap. I played out everything I've learned in these over-the-counter units. We got up, I bugled, he answered. I figured they'd be up and moving. He answered back 2 or 3 times. We slid in tight on him. I caught him raking a tree. Come around, Dennis had to stay. I come around at him at 15 yards for probably the last 10 minutes. I couldn't get a shot. Had cows at 5 yards, hoping the wind didn't swirl. He was raking this side. He spun around to rake this side of the tree. Made an awesome shot. I can't even believe he looks like a really good bull.